Hi, I'm Jaden from EG Technology. I'm going to introduce our company. EG Technology has been established in 1981. We are located in Nantou, Taiwan, and are known globally by PAX. We focus on the productions of high-quality tire patches for over 40 years. And now, we also expanded our product lines to include DIY tools and bicycle repairing tools. For over 40 years, we stick to using 100% natural rubber as our tire patch materials to ensure durability and user safety. We also export our products to more than 60 countries. For sure, we have a good cooperation with our local agent. This year, EG Technology is committed to focusing on ESG development and active pursuing sustainable business practice, taking responsibility for a greener planet. Through our tire repair patches, we aim to reduce waste and achieve energy and carbon saving. Therefore, I will introduce the all-new products about our company. First is the all-new design universal tire repair patches. The universal tire patches are specifically designed to use in bias and radar tires and tubes. The size range from the smallest round patch 42 mm to the largest oval patch 85 x 170 mm, providing complete coverage. As I said before, our patches made of natural rubbers. It let us patches be more durable, high viscosity, and strong adhesions for quick and effective repair for the puncture tire. The most important is the backing paper be redesigned to better fit the patch and prolong the service life of the patch. At the same time, in response to the global concept of environmental protections, craft paper is used for outer packagings, and the patches are made of 100% rich natural rubber. Both the front and back liner are made from PET materials to make sure can be recycled and reused. The universal patches tire repair kit is perfect to fix the puncture hole on motorcycles, cars, trucks, ATVs, and inflatable rubbers. The next product is the bicycle speed tool, a lightweight and portable tubeless tire repair kit. It comes with 3 strips of 1.5 mm x 5 cm brown seal strings and 3 strips of 3.5 mm x 5 cm black seal strings for bigger puncture along with a hex wrench. For those who have trouble turning the hex wrench, just combine the tubeless tire repair kit needle with the hex wrench and it becomes a T-shaped hex wrench. And the bike tubeless tire repair kit weighs only 25.5 grams and was easy to keep in a pocket and any kinds of bags. No worries for your riding trips. Going on is the bike tire repair tools bags. The kits contain with 3 nylon tire lever, mini bicycle pump or the CO2 cylinders, mini ratchet wrench screwdriver bit sets, the bicycle split tools, glueless patch, 1.5 mm and 3.5 tire seal strings. We provide 2 different inflatable tools can choose by the cyclist to make sure the cyclist can fix the tire punctures at any situations. And the tools bags is easy to carry and fully functional. At last is the GA tire sealant, which will be launched in the end of the April. The raw materials of GA tire sealant is made from pineapple leaf fibers, making it a groundbreaking product that not only ensures strong repair capabilities for tire puncture, but also prioritizes environmental protections, bringing us one step close to our energy and carbon reduction goals. GA tire sealants boost powerful and innovative repair capabilities, repairing puncture ranging from 1.5 mm to 3 mm, and suitable for both tubeless and tube-type tires, including bicycles, motorcycles, and cars. GA tire sealants can be used in temperatures ranging from -20 to 60 degrees. And as a water-based tire sealant, it does not contain latex, ammonia, or any corrosive chemicals. It is odorless, not damaging to rims or tires, and hypoallergenic for those with latex sensitive. Additional, being water-based, GA tire sealant is easy to clean up. I hope that our company's products can help and hope to have the opportunity to cooperate with you in the future. Nice to meet you guys today. Have a nice day. Thank you.